If you're using an Android phone, sometimes from the lock screen you can access this notification panel. The thing is, if you've locked your phone, sometimes kids may take it and enable or disable settings in this. So if you want to disable this notification panel access on the lock screen, you can do that. In this video, we'll be telling you how to do that. For this, open Settings. When you're opening Settings, here you can see the Notification or Notifications option. According to brands, there will be some changes. I'm using a Poco branded phone. In Poco and Redmi branded phones, settings is like this. Anyway, click on Notifications. When you click on that, here you can see the lock screen option. Click on lock screen. When you click on that, here you can see open notification shade on lock screen. Sometimes it'll be turned on, that's why on the lock screen you're able to access this notification panel. If you don't want that, you can disable it. After this, on the lock screen, you can't access the notification shade. So this way, you can easily disable the setting. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, subscribe. See you in the next video.